Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This morning I want to talk about a book that's titled The Lekki Head Master. You see, this book is titled The Lekki Head Master. It was written by Kabir Alabi Garba. It's the book that all the Jambites in Nigeria will use for JAMB examination in this year 2025. So I wanted to say something about the book, you know, though the book is very fantastic, it's good, the language, the plot, the everything is fantastic. But when you open it to page 14, page number 14 at the scene 3, yes. So it's titled Migration Tales. So Migration Tales this is where the Mr. Depo, the principal, the Lekki headmaster really, you know, gathered information about how he wants to jackba, he wants to travel. But there is one thing that's mentioned in Yoruba here. So I want to read it out for us so we can, comprehend it. This is where I'm going. Let me start from the beginning. He said, after Depo had finally made up his mind to relocate to the UK, he decided to pay attention to tales emanating from foreign lands, especially Canada, United Kingdom, and the United States of America. In terms of remuneration, he always knew that payments there could be hourly, daily, weekly, or monthly. Unlike Nigeria, where one-time salaries were a feature of white-collar jobs, it lacked the idea of hourly ramification. It could make job schedules flexible, or rather, offering the employee an opportunity to change the job as often as he could. Now, he said, on the part of the employer, he would be able to closely monitor the worker. It neutralized the Yoruba proverb that states, Ogata, Ogauta, Owo alaaru ape. Well, this is where I'm going to. Ogata, Ogauta, Owo alaaru ape. Now listen to what it's translated to. It said, that is whether an employer records gain or not, the employee will get home. The employee will get take home at his full pay. You know, so this particular thing. Now let me explain. You see, that word or gata or gauta or alaaru ape. That is not the correct way to say it. It is ogota, ogota, owo alaaru ape. That is how we say it. That is how it should be. And that is how it has to be explained. Ogo is a type of maize, that we have take it out from the body of agbado. You know what we call agbado is a maize ball. So when we take agbado out from the shuku, the agbado we pack it into a bag, a full bag. So the alaaru take it to the palm handler, take it to the market for sales. So whether the ogo, that thing is what we call ogo. Whether the ogo sell or not, the owner, the palm handler that carries to the market, they will come back in the evening to receive their pay. Whether the ogo sell or not, they must receive their pay. So that is where the proverb comes out. Ogota, ogota, owo alaaru ape, not ogata, ogauta, owo alaaru ape. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Kunle Blog TV. Follow us on our all social media, Kunle_Bamiji on Instagram, Kunle Blog on Facebook. God bless you. Please promote our mother tongue, promote our tribe, promote our culture. Yoruba, 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 Washiri.